If you want to use Gemini on iPhone 17e, all you have to do is you need to go to the App Store. Next, over here at the bottom, we will have to search for Gemini, so we can use the search button in the bottom right corner, then the search field over here, and we can simply type Gemini in order to find the app. Once you find Google Gemini app, you can tap on the Get button on the right side, or we can tap on the app itself to use the Get button in here. This should allow you to easily install the app. Of course, you may need to verify yourself in order to be able to proceed. And once you get this app, you can open it via App Store. You can also go to the home screen most likely in order to find it in here, or you can try to find it via App Library. There we go. Of course, you will need to sign into your Google account in order to be able to use the Gemini app, so be sure to do that. Over here we can also find the welcome message, so we can tap on Use Gemini. We can allow Gemini to send us notifications if you don't mind that, but it is not really necessary. And now we can start using Gemini quite easily. Here we have some additional tools at the bottom of the screen that I can recommend you checking out. But that is pretty much it. We can start typing our prompts and so on and so forth. Leave a like and subscribe.